In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use focus mode in Kanban on Miro. If you're looking to enhance your productivity and streamline your workflow within Miro's interface, then you're in the right place. Focus mode is a handy feature for zeroing in on specific tasks or projects, minimizing distractions, and maximizing productivity. Let's dive into this straightforward process and transform your Miro experience. First, let's begin by navigating over to the Miro platform. If you're not already logged in, make sure to do so. Once you're in, select the Kanban board. The Kanban system is designed to optimize task management, allowing you to visualize the workflow and improve efficiency. Now, to utilize the focus mode, simply look for the Focus Mode option. This feature allows you to hone in on individual tasks or a specific segment of your Kanban board. By using Focus Mode, you can temporarily block out other elements on the board, putting your entire attention on the task at hand. It's excellent for managing clutter and helping you or your team concentrate on one item at a time. Now that Focus Mode is activated, you'll notice that the rest of your board fades, keeping only the important parts in view. This cleaner view is intentional and meant to help reduce distractions. It ensures you can give detailed attention to each task, fostering an environment for deep work. Whether you're in a meeting, addressing a specific segment, or simply working solo, this method enhances concentration on your current focus area. When you've completed your focus session or need to return to the full board view, it's straightforward. All you have to do is click on the Back to Canvas option. This action will revert your view to the standard Kanban board setup, bringing back all your tasks and allowing you to seamlessly transition between different projects or tasks. In summary, focus mode in Kanban on Miro is all about improving concentration and eliminating the unnecessary clutter that can sometimes distract you. It's a valuable tool for anyone who is juggling multiple tasks or needing to spotlight a specific project without losing track of the broader scope. By using this tool effectively, you can enhance your productivity and workflow on Miro, making every session count. There you have it, a simple yet impactful way to boost your productivity using Miro's Kanban board. Thanks for joining today to learn about this productive tool, and I hope it empowers you to make the most of your Kanban experience on Miro. Happy focusing!